Well, our lot is absolutely full of Corvettes here at Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. What a selection of cars you have, and we'd love to show you this 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 2LT Coupe. This is a gorgeous car. It's shark gray on the exterior, it has that matching gray interior, and it has a beautiful glass top. Let's take a look under the hood real quick. You'll find a 460 horsepower LT1 engine and 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features on this car include the $4,160 2LT Preferred Equipment Group. Now, in case you don't know, this includes the heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker AM, FM, XM, MP3 stereo with the steering wheel controls and MyLink. This car also features auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, memory package. The car has multi-mode exhaust, remote start, Bluetooth package, power seats, keyless entry and start, dual electronic climate control as well, and HID headlights. So you get the idea. Everything is power on this car. It's absolutely the car that you would love to have. This car comes with a clean Carfax, and it shows just 8,394 miles, and that makes this 2015 Corvette Stingray a very nice car in very nice condition. The paint is in very good condition. It has a great shine. The glass top is in excellent condition, and the factory painted wheels are in very good condition as well. This is just an absolutely beautiful car. Now remember, this car features a corrosion-free subframe and has been fully serviced, as all of our cars are here at Buyavette.net. It goes through a rigorous inspection process before it ever comes out to our showroom floor. So if you'd like to know more about this car or any of the 120 Corvettes always in stock here at Buyavette.net, give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552, and they'll be glad to help you with any Corvette you might be interested in. Remember, we're Buyavette.net here in Atlanta, Georgia. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Hope to see you real soon.